Tonight, a Dothan man has passed away after he was critically injured while working on a construction site. His family speaking out and reflecting on his life. WDHN's Robert Smith has the story.
Omar Prado was heading to UAB Hospital in Birmingham Tuesday evening for the aid of his brother Jose, who was injured severely in a lineman accident in Montgomery. While en route, he got a call from a doctor that made his heart drop into his stomach.
He passed away, and I really didn't know what to do. I was driving at the time. I had to pull over. I was just screaming, so upset. Don't know why they took my brother. And I just kept praying he was okay. I knew he's tough. He's a tough guy.
23-year-old Jose Prado is an alumnus of Rehoboth High School. He worked at Ken's Japanese restaurant with his brother for quite a while before heading to Wallace to go through the electrical line worker program to become a lineman.
They told us when he graduated that it's a very tough job, that stuff can happen, people can die on the job, that it's not easy, and he wanted to take the risk, and he did.
Prado was working at a construction site near the intersection of Vaughn Road and Marler Road.
Someone was driving, and then he was out putting cones, I believe, and then a cable caught him and then swung him and just battered his chest, I believe. They told me so many times I can't comprehend it.
Prado was only a lineman for a little over 2 months. His brother says Jose was a well-known and funny guy that everybody liked to be around. Omar would miss the times he's cherished with his younger brother, like hanging out at parties and going out to dinner.
We did a lot together. There's not enough that I wish we did. I wish I could have talked to him. I wish I could have said bye. But he was a hardworking guy. He loved to run. He loved to do a lot. He took care of his brothers. He took care of them more than I could ever. He took care of my mom and dad. He loved us all so much.
Reporting in Dothan, Robert Smith, WDHN News for the Wiregrass.
A GoFundMe page has been created by Jose Prado's boss if you would like to help with funeral expenses and medical bills.